Creating a new project in the EJM system. Navigate to the Project tab. We are able to create a new project from the Task section and from the Project tab on the top ribbon. Let us first create a new project type. Navigate to the Project tab on the top ribbon. Maintenance. Project type Maintenance. We currently have two project types that can be allocated to projects created. Let's create a new project type by clicking on the Click here to add a new row option. Enter the description of the new project type. Accept and close. Save and close. Now, let's create a project. Click on Project on the top ribbon. New Project. Please note that all sections highlighted in yellow are compulsory and must be filled to in order to create a project. Fill in the code, name, if this project is a sub-project of a bigger project, select the main project from the drop-down list. The main project first has to be registered. Project types can be used to separate and organize projects into different categories. Select the project type we just created. The Is Active checkbox means that this is a current project. When the tick is unticked, inactive, no transactions can be posted to this project, only historic data can be viewed. The Use in Payroll checkbox means that this project will be visible with the Payroll module. When the box is unticked, no transactions can be posted against this project, however, historical data will be present. The Use in Accounting checkbox means that this project will be visible within the costing modules, i.e. orders, invoices, QS, certificates, etc. When the box is unticked, no transactions can be posted against this project, however, historical data will be present. The Link to Accounting project dropdown allows the user to have multiple estimates for a single project. If this is the case, the various estimates may be linked to a single accounting project. The main use of this feature is within the variance reports, to allow the user to effectively assess the estimate with the correct accounting data. The Copy Project Resources from dropdown allows the user to select a project which would have common resources. Once the project is created, this would populate the project resources with a list of resources from the reference project. Order against allowables. The buyer can be forced to only order against allowable resources created from EJM project or resources. Can be manually added. Project addresses. Adding the delivery address will simplify ordering as you do not have to type in the delivery address with every order. Add contact details as required. Set up project financials. This detail is only available to users with the necessary user rights to view project financials. See next section. All boxes in light yellow must be filled in or else the financials will not be saved. 0 values are acceptable, but not blank values. Subcontractors. Add subcontractors that will be involved in the project, whether selected or nominated. A user can add more than one subcontractor. when everything is filled according to our satisfaction. Save and close. Locate the project we have just created.